Hello friends, Speedball Mike Bailey here. We are at the Chesapeake. No, it's not that bad. I'm just kidding. I am missing a tooth though. Thank y'all for noticing. We are at the Chesapeake Employers Arena in Baltimore, Maryland for AEW Dynamite. It is beautiful, it is sunny, so let's fucking go. Alright friends, main event is live now and it is poppin'. We've got the Young Bucks, Kenny Omega against the Don Callis family. Next week is Glasgow, and it's great that leading into All In we had such a pop-in Dynamite. Hell yeah. It was a night off for Uncle Speedy, so I got to sit back and enjoy the show, which was a pleasure. All right, let's keep watching. Good morning, friends. It is Thursday, Toothless Thursday, and I'm here with Veda.
Hi.
Special guest on the vlog. We are in Baltimore, Maryland, and today we have a day off. Ooh, look at this ship. I love boats.
We love boats.
Could never own a boat. No,
I could go on boats. We don't have a desire to have a boat.
I don't think you can own a boat unless someone in your family has owned a boat before you. It's like a fishing boat.
It's like a lot of maintenance, a lot of work.
Yes. I think boating needs to run in the family. I don't think you can be the first in your family to own a boat. Or if you do, that's like a pretty big deal and there's a specific reason.
I'm gonna go jump in this right now. Young.
Why?
What?
Why?
Just tired.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. It's pretty tiring out there, which is why we're gonna go see some fish.
Fish.
At the Baltimore, no.
I think it's the National Aquarium, but it's in Baltimore, so everyone just calls it the Baltimore Aquarium, but I don't know.
Is Baltimore a nation? Amber lamps. All right, let's go see the fish.
Look at him go.
So far, this aquarium, 10 out of 10, delivers.
There's one in the back, too. Look at him.
Now, what are these?
These are snowy groupers.
Just a second, my love.
Wow.
It says, opened its large mouth and gills to quickly suck in passing prey. Yeah, me too, girl. Wow. Ow.
The shovel nose sturgeon. Wow. I'm not a big.
Wow.
Yeah, I can just catch up my sweatshirt and then put it in my
Puffins.
bag. Right? I could take one. It's a souvenir. I need a stuffed animal to do this.
Look at his little feet. Ooh, look at that! He's all the way under. Wow! How would he not get?
Whoa, he just jumped in. He just jumped in from the thing.
Oh, no, I missed it.
Look, here's some guys back here. It's my time to show. They're waiting for Adult Swim to be able. Oh my god, I love it so much.
Oh my goodness.
Where is he again? I love it so much.
Puffins, the penguins of the aquarium.
What? I'm just trying to take selfies because the fish lighting is really good. What?
It is really good. But also, this is good fish.
This is some good fish. This is some quality, stereotypical fish, right?
This is an aquarium.
Yeah.
Like,
This is some straight up fish.
Nemo and Dory boys. Very good. It's very reef.
Very reef.
It's kind of cool looking, huh? I don't want a catfish. A catfish? Yeah. A stingray. Look how big these fishes are. Don't hit the glass. I like that. Why is he not moving? Well, he's just hanging out.
I love the turtles.
I think one lost its tail. Look how big that turtle is.
Bird up there.
There's birds here too.
That's so weird. Here we go.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. So slow.
And there's the star of the show, the reef.
There's like three.
None of this is possible without the reef. This feels like the waiting room for the Aliens ride they built in 1983.
I love it.
All right, well that was fun.
Wow.
Very small.
This one was free. So here's my thoughts about the aquarium. We saw fish, 10 out of 10, no notes. Excellent, very good. Now let's go to a church.
What?
Let's go to a church.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
So we are in a church. Are you okay?
Yeah, my hair was weird.
Okay.
How many of these vlog intros start out, or vlog segments start out with me going, my hair was weird?
Not enough. I wish more of them started that way. But yeah, this is where we're staying in the middle of nowhere, Pennsylvania for a couple days. Then it's on to Reading.
I've been getting...
All right, friends, it's Saturday, and you know what that means. It is collision time, and we get to perform in the world-famous Santander Arena, where greats...
World famous?
World famous.
Definitely.
Where greats such as Blake Shelton, the Trans-Siberian Orchestra, Buddy Velasco, Cake Boss, and Ron Tater Salad White, whom you can find at tatersalad.com, have performed, and now it's Uncle Speedy's turn to be on the show.
You excited?
I'm pumped.
I'm gonna keep drinking this coffee till I get pumped.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. All right, okay, so you just said I've got something to show you, right? So,
Well, it's not mine, but
okay.
it's hidden here in the arena in this little. You gotta show them this cubby real quick.
Yeah, this is just a little, we're like deep in here now.
There's a little cubby.
Uh-huh.
Come in here and turn the corner
Uh-huh.
to the right.
Yeah.
You just You just gotta see it. It's kind of messed up.
What the fuck?
I told you.
Oh boy.
Oh my god. At one point, that was displayed loud and proud.
You know that this was like one of the arena's proudest possessions at some point. And now it
in
is
the rafters, like how they retired jerseys. And now it's storage.
where it belongs,
Yeah.
underneath the staircase, away from the public eye.
It should be burnt, to be completely honest. But, you know.
I would think so. Maybe they tried and it just came back.
It came back, it's haunted.
No.
It's haunted by the food bomb.
All right, so coming up next, it's me, Commander, versus Tommaso Ciampa and Nick Wayne, and the four of us have thrown our hat in the ring to be in the Casino Gauntlet All In. All of us hoping we'll make it in, and we're gonna be on the same team. They're gonna be on the same team. Let's see if they can coexist, because if we do make it to the Casino Gauntlet, it's gonna be every person for themselves. So it should be a fun tag match nonetheless. We're gonna get it done. Love teaming with Commander. Let's fucking go. I lost a tooth. I lost a match. It's rough out there, friends. It's always a pleasure teaming with Commander. But see ya. Take care, friends. It's yeah. What was I saying? I was saying I'm sad. That's what I was saying. I'm saying I'm gonna go to Glasgow next week, and I'm gonna need to shake things up, because I don't know what I'll be doing at All In, but I'm hoping to get into that Casino Gauntlet, and I need some momentum because I'm still where I was at. I'm still at the same place. I won singles gold, and I need to move forward. And what I need to do that is rack up wins. So yeah, let's get some motion in Glasgow. That's what I'll do. And we're back where it all started. Well, probably not this vlog, but that's where they often start. The Wawa.
The Wawa.
Actually, where did this vlog start? This vlog, I started it in Baltimore.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
we're back home. What feels like a million years ago. One aquarium trip later. But we had a good time,
That was good.
right?
The aquarium was good. You had a match tonight. It was... You didn't... Your team lost.
My team lost.
But you didn't get pinned.
I think if Commander loses, we all lose.
That is true.
And I think Nick Wayne and Ciampa should have been more sensitive to that.
That is like a loss in our hearts.
It's a loss for the country. For both countries. For North America as a whole.
So, but now we're home.
Now we're home.
And you have one entire day home before you go to Glasgow. So.
Yep. Am I going to get a new tooth in that time? Only time will tell, friends. Thank you all so much for watching this week's speed vlog. Next week is going to be big. We're going to be in the United Kingdom, Scotland, and then London. Thank you all.
What is this? I don't know what I'm doing here. Goodbye.
Goodbye.